Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you this very practical and wearable makeup look for this year's Saraswati Puja, which I have created using some new makeup products, and I have kept the eyes very simple. It's a complete smudgy kohl makeup look paired with bold lips, perfect for all the beautiful bong ladies out there, and you can pretty much wear this look with any of your saris and it's going to look beautiful on you. I'm going to show you each and every step of doing this makeup look. Make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So since it's a daytime makeup look, I am going to start by prepping my skin. At first, I'm going to use my face serum, which I'm currently using a lot and I'm really loving it. This one is by JOVEES HERBAL. It is her REVITA Glow Vitamin C Revitalizing Face Serum, which is infused with 10% vitamin C content along with cacao plum in it. And you can see this is the packaging, and this portion of the video is sponsored by JOVEES HERBAL. I love the texture of this serum, having that liquidy, very hydrating texture which gets completely absorbed into your skin. At the same time, it adds beautiful healthy glow and hydration to your skin. So this particular serum is having a 10% vitamin C content in it, which actually helps in brightening up your skin. At the same time, it is having cacao plum, which is the natural derivative of vitamin C. Along with that, this one is having bearberry extract, grapeseed extracts, which are loaded with antioxidants, which is going to take care of your fine lines, wrinkles, at the same time boost collagen and elastin to your skin. At the same time, you're gonna get ageless skin. It also fights against hyperpigmentation. So with regular usage, surely you will be getting rid of your unwanted spots, uneven skin tone, acne marks gone and everything, and you're gonna definitely love this. This is something that I'm currently using, guys, and I'm really loving it. You can surely give this one a shot. Now it's time to apply moisturizer. So since I have applied a vitamin C serum today, I am using a vitamin C based moisturizer, which is this one by Dot & Key. This is the Dot & Key Vitamin C plus E Super Bright moisturizer, which I absolutely love because it is one of my favorite hydrating water-based gel moisturizers. As you can see, it completely gets absorbed into my skin. It's so easy to work on the skin. At the same time, you can surely apply your makeup products on top of this particular moisturizer. It's not gonna ball up, and it just adds a beautiful layer of hydration and glow to your skin. For prepping my lips, I'm using this particular lip butter from Velvet Affair, which I picked up from Instagram page, which I'm gonna mention in the description box, guys. This is so underrated, a very good quality lip butter, which is basically a concoction of lip balm and lipstick. It is having a lot of pigments in it. As it's a daytime makeup look, I am gonna apply my favorite sunscreen of all time. This one is by L'Oreal Paris. It is her UV Defender Serum Protector Sunscreen in the variant Matte and Fresh, and you can see this much of sunscreen I apply every single day on my face to protect my skin. As you can see, I am making this blended into my skin really well. This particular sunscreen is so hydrating, at the same time very moisturizing, and it's gonna work on all skin tones, skin types out there, guys. It is having SPF 50 PA+++, so it's gonna protect your skin from both UVA UVB rays, and you can see it works like a moisturizer, and also makeup sits so well on top of this sunscreen, guys. Highly do recommend you guys to check this one out, and you're gonna love it. The next step is doing my eyebrows, for which I'm using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the variant dark brown, which is such a great product, guys. This is something which I got as freebie with one of my purchases from Nika. You can see it is having very fine tip, easy to outline your eyebrows, at the same time fill in the gaps that you have in your eyebrows. It is also perfect for doing that small little strokes, hair-like strokes on your eyebrows. I'm blending out the same using my spoolie, and the product is very pigmented, and the shade is so well for Indian skin tones. Now I'm going to set my brows using this NYX Thick It Stick It Brow Definer Setting Gel. As you can see, this is one of my current obsessions, guys, because it actually makes my eyebrow product stay in place throughout the entire day. It sticks my eyebrows in place. At the same time, it is having a lot of fibers in it, which is going to just make your eyebrows look so full, so thick. You're gonna love it. Now it's time to apply foundation. I'm not gonna apply a lot of heavy full coverage foundation on my skin because it's a daytime makeup look. I just want my face to breathe. That's why I'm using this very lightweight tinted foundation from LA girl, which I absolutely love. This one is in the shade tan, and you can see I am applying it and blending out the same with the help of my foundation blending brush. This blends seamlessly on my skin, guys. Such beautiful blendable texture, easy to work on my skin. It is so hydrating, and it is a complete fragrance free product, and it adds loads of hydration to the skin and glow to the skin, guys. So on the days when you don't want to layer on a number of products, you don't want to layer on a lot of heavy foundation on your skin, you can surely try this one out. I'm applying a little more because it's a festive makeup look and I just want my face to look flawless. This is something that you can surely try out during the daytime makeup look. Now it's time to apply concealer, for which I'm using another of my favorites. This is the Flower Beauty full coverage concealer, which is having like medium coverage, and this particular shade is in the variant medium deep, which is having strong yellow undertone, but it is a very healthy concealer, guys, which surely you can try out. I'm applying it just a little bit underneath my eyes and blending out the seam with the help of my foundation blending brush, and you can see it also blends beautifully. Non-cakey, non-patchy, non-drying concealer, which adds a layer of hydration at the same time healthy look underneath your eyes without being looking like an actual heavy duty concealer, and it's quite long wearing. Gonna set my concealer only today using this L'Oreal oil killer powder, which is also a very long lasting product, and I'm gonna concentrate it mainly on my T-zone where I have applied the concealer, not on my overall face, because I'm gonna use some cream based products today. So for the bronzer, I'm using this Revolution cream bronzer in the shade medium, which is a perfect cool tone taupey brown color. This is so blendable on the skin, guys. The quality of this cream bronzer is so good, very comparable to the Huda Beauty Tanto, and you can see I am using my concealer brush, and a little product goes a long way with it, and applying it underneath my cheekbones, just basically on the hollows of my face where I just want to add some natural looking shadows. Because whenever you're doing any kind of cream contour, make sure that you use it as your contour, not as your bronzer, because that helps in adding natural shadow, natural depth on your face, which makes your face look really structured and defined. And you can see it is blending beautifully, not at all reddish, not at all ashy looking on the skin, and I love how it is actually looking now, making everything look seamless on my skin. I'm using my foundation blending brush, and I love how it is actually looking on my skin, guys. So you can see I've also contoured my nose a little bit, and it is looking so natural, beautiful product. Now for the liquid blush, today I'm using this Juicy Cheeks liquid blush from Forever 52, which I recently picked up, and this is a beautiful like a rusty peachy orangish sort of shade, which is having lots of warm undertone, guys. I love this shade, which is perfect for using during the daytime, and it will be working for all skin tones. Now with the help of my fingertips, I'm gonna at first apply the product on the uppers of my face. As you can see, I'm just dragging it towards my ears to add that lifted look. Now I'm going to use my stippling brush and start on blending this out, and you can see it blends seamlessly. Within a second, it has completely blended and meshed into my skin. It has not disrupted my foundation, as you can see, and it has added beautiful glow and deviness to my skin, and it's hell pigmented, guys. You can still see a lot of product at the back of my hand. I love how it turned out. I'm going to try this out today because I'm so eager to try this new product out. This one is by PAC. It is her Focus on Me palette, which is basically her contour, highlighter and blush palette, and this one is in the shade dark. Beautiful shades, guys. I'm gonna use the contour shade at first, and with the help of my Wet n Wild contour brush, I'm gonna set my cream contour, which I have applied today. And you can see this shade is also very beautiful, but it is very pigmented, so make sure that you use really less product, otherwise it will be looking really muddy. But I love the tone of this one, guys. So if you use it as your natural looking contour on an everyday basis, it will be working for you. For the blush, I'm using the blush which is there in the palette, and with the help of the same stippling brush, I'm gonna just set my cream blush, as you can see, and it's a beautiful like a sweet pink color. So mixing with the Forever 52 rusty orangish blush, this has given me a beautiful coral looking cheeks which turned out to be so wearable, perfect for any daytime makeup look. So now I'm going to use the highlighter from the palette. With the help of the highlighter brush, I'm going to basically apply it on the highest points of my face, as you can see, on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose. And this one is very natural looking, guys. It is not adding that very stark layer of highlighter on my skin, nor it is looking like super beaming, and I love it. You can surely use it during the daytime, and I think it's gonna definitely work for you. So it's a good quality highlighter. So the palette is really good. Blush, highlighter, and the contour, everything is so handy to use on the go. You can surely use this palette, guys. The quality is really good, non-chalky, non-powdery sort of product. For the eyes today, I'm only gonna use this particular eyeshadow stick from KIRO Beauty, which I really love, guys. This is so amazing. This is a product which I am currently using a lot. It's actually a beautiful, like a bronze sort of shade, and the cream based eyeshadow stick is so blendable. It is having such a nice smooth creamy texture. So using this just on all over my eyelid, and with the help of my fingertips, I'm blending this out. As you can see, I haven't applied any transition color, nothing, just a single bronzy eyeshadow on all over my eyelid. You can use any bronze shade you have. If you want to layer it on, you can surely do that. I'm just applying it on my eyelid, on both of my eyelids, and it is looking so wearable, perfect for any daytime look. Now it's time to use kajal, for which I am using my all-time favorite Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl in the shade Black to Black. And you can see it's so creamy, jet black gel kajal, so easy to work with. I'm tightening my upper waterline, lower waterline, and also applying thickly on my lower lash line, as you can see. Now I'm gonna use my bronzer and just smoke out my kajal, which I have applied on my lower lash line, as you can see, and dragging it and creating more like a reverse winged eyeliner, as you can see, and slowly just dragging it towards my upper lash line to just fake it out as an eyeliner look. So you can see this is very easy, guys. You can surely do that, just smudging the kohl which I have applied on my lower lash line, dragging it out to create that reverse winged eyeliner, and also just dragging it towards my upper lash line to fake it look like an actual eyeliner. It's very easy. Just do it and you're gonna love it. This is how it turned out. For the mascara today, I'm using my trusty all-time favorite super duper long wearing L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, and you can see it adds loads of volume, loads of length to my lashes. So since I'm not gonna wear any falsies today, I'm using this mascara, and this is something that you can surely use, guys, because during Saraswati Puja you'll be getting ready within a very few minutes. So that's when you can use this mascara, and it's gonna add beautiful volume and length to your lashes. Using the same highlighter from the pack palette on the inner corner of my eyes, as you can see, to highlight my eyes, and also applying it on my brow bone and blending it out really well. So surely you can use any highlighter you want. This one is very natural looking, guys. It does not look like an actual super beaming stark highlighter. So for the lipstick today, guys, I am using this particular lipstick from the Korean brand Romand. It's her Blur Fudge tint in number 03 called Musky. It's a beautiful brick shade, guys, and these tints are so pigmented, having that moussey, fluffy, feathery sort of texture. It adds a beautiful like a fluff to your lips. So comfortable, gives you like a soft, smooth, like a very feathery kind of matte finish on the lips. Very comfortable to wear. You can surely use any bold lip color of your choice, but since I'll be wearing a rusty and black combination sari today, so that's why I have added this particular lipstick, and it's a beautiful color, guys. It's also long wearing. This is something that you can definitely check out. Milani Make It Last makeup setting spray. This one is the mini version, which I picked up from Hawk Makeup. It's very just gorgeous looking. When you just spray it on your face, it adds a lot of hydration, and it just makes your makeup long lasting. Added my bindi, some jewelry pieces, and this is how it turned out. Absolutely love it. For the perfume of the day, I'm using Zara's Apple Juice, one of my favorite perfumes to wear during the daytime because it's so fresh. It's so beautiful, guys, and it's so sophisticated, elegant. It just makes everyone stand out, and I love it. So I'm wearing this batik silk sari rust and black combination sari, which I absolutely love, with this oxidized jewelry pieces, which I picked up from an Instagram handle, which I'm gonna mention in the description box as well, and wearing my new watch. And this is how the makeup turned out. Absolutely love it. So that's all, guys. This is how I have created this year's Saraswati Puja makeup look. I'm going to put the links of all of these products down in the description box. I hope you really like it. Hope you all have an amazing Saraswati Puja. সবাই ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো, পরের ভিডিওতে দেখা হবে. Till then, take care. Bye, guys.